In this question, Petra, Nicolette, and Viviana shared a packet of pearls. Petra received 3/5 of the pearls and another 18 pearls. Okay, when I see a fraction plus some more, I know that you have to draw something like this. I will tell you why later. Then Nicolette received 1/2 of the remaining pearls and another 10 pearls. Again, you have to take note that when you see fraction and some more, it's going to be something like that. Alright? Something that your child must know at P5. Then Viviana received the remaining 6 pearls. How many more pearls did Petra receive from Nicolette? Okay, so again, let's go back to the start. Okay, this sentence is, in my opinion, is redundant. In fact, the question can start off from here. So Petra received 3/5 of the pearls, so we draw 5 units. And then because and another 18 pearls and a bit more, so we count 1, 2, 3 and a bit more. And so you have to draw this dotted line, dot, and then you have 18. And then from here to here is Petra's. Yeah. So then we have remainder, because this is under remainder concept. So you have the pull down, and whenever you do see this kind of question with remainder concept and with fraction and some more, I strongly recommend that you do not use branching, even though you may know, because pull down method is so much easier to see, as you can see right here. Okay, let's continue and then I will explain more. Then this part is remainder model. Then you pull it down. And then this part is half, and then you draw 2 units or 2 parts in this case. And then plus 10 more. And then this little space here is 6 for Viviana. Yeah, so we put a V here. Okay, so for pull down method, it's very straightforward. You pull down, you answer upwards. Yeah, so in this case, they want a comparison between how many more pearls did Petra receive than Nicolette. So question mark for Petra and a question mark for Nicolette, and then you find the difference. So we need to find this value as well as this value. Okay, the lowest hanging fruits will be for Nicolette, so we take 1 part, which is 6 plus 10. Can you see here? So 1 part 6 plus 10, and then Nicolette is 1 part plus 10, so 1 part is 16. So we take 16 plus 10 and then done. We have the value for Nicolette. Okay, next will be for Petra. Again, we answer upwards, so 2 parts will be 16 times 2, 32. So from here to here will be 32, which also means that since this is a put down row, whatever you have from here to here is also 32, and plus 18 equals to 2 units. So 2 units is 32 plus 18 equals to 50, which means that from here to here is 50. You find the value of 1 U, which is 25. Then you find 3 units, because it's 3 times 25 plus 18. Don't forget to plus 18. So you have 93. And once you know the Petra's value as well as Nicolette's value, just minus off to find the answer. Okay. Okay. Now, probably you may wonder why we have a system that can help you to immediately identify the solution based on some keywords that we have seen. Yeah, as I mentioned, fraction plus some more, you know you need to do this, and because it's remaining keyword, so it's remainder concept, so it's pull down. And I know that you have this book, which is Problem Sums Guide for Parents Volume 2. I want you to flip to page 53 now, and can you see that my model here is very similar. It's very similar to this. Can you see the dotted line? Yeah. And let's look at this question. Is 27 plus some more So when you're able to see this, you have to do this. And then because this is remainder concept, so you have a pull down effect. Okay, let's look at this one, yeah? So you pull it down. So in this case, very quickly, is you pull down, then you answer upwards. Not forgetting that this is the crucial part. Many children have find that it's very hard to use branching to solve this because they have no idea how to visualize it. You can't really visualize much using branching, so you have to use pull down method to draw this so that you can see it clearly whenever you see whenever you see this kind of sentence structure, which is fraction plus a bit more, and going back to this is the same thing, fraction plus a bit more. So from experience, we have documented down those that we have seen before. That's why many children treat this as a formula book. They flip to the page, they find the comparison, they flip to the page, they match it, they see the solution, they get it fast, they draw the same thing, and then they can answer by themselves. And from here to here is just math. Yeah. So hopefully this helps you.